Your national pledge ends with so help us God. So help me God. First words, I promise on my honor to be faithful. Ekuosika kure da unchen wanye faithful. Ekuosika da unchen kra no. Yeah. Obi de na no ye bo dem ha no obi de obi sika. Kuosika no a majeje no eko akoma dan to osubia. Yeah, in toes. So then, when the light of God comes into a person, yeah, you are going to see reasonability. You are going to see fairness. Or what piana sitting or he loves you as he loves himself. At the 1% or that is Christianity, and that is the gospel, the light of Jesus Christ. So you know, when he sent them, in John chapter number 3, he made a submission. He said, "Oh, God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that everybody that believes in him will not perish." I love verse number 17. The Bible said, "For God sent not his Son into the world to condemn the world, but the world through him must be saved." In the 18th verse, he said, "He that believes in the Son is not condemned, but he that believes not in the Son of God is already condemned for not believing." In the 19th verse, "For light has come into the world, and men love darkness rather than light." But nipa wamompe hano wamudusum. The nation Ghana katine or problem. Ye dusum ebahanam de atre asibuka iso. And I didn't yellow to numbers because street him na ema. Because you pension hunu. Yeah. You pension hunu. You some you need your home. Talk about righteousness that exalts a nation, and sin which is a reproach unto the people, and they will choose sin that is a reproach unto the people. In the days of Jesus, Pilate asked the question, there is one sinner, a prisoner incarcerated, as the custom of the people, I should release one person to you. And they said, you already have one person standing before us. Baraba ye monatuni kromfo wudini wokum nipa bomai. Woman see a Baraba.